Okay, hello Year 9. So I'm going to do 3 short tutorial videos to help you with the cells topic. So we seem okay on the cell stuff in terms of the parts of an animal cell versus a plant cell. So I'm going to focus on diffusion, and then I'll do a video on osmosis and then active transport. So diffusion you've come across before. You've come across it probably in Year 8 and 9, probably in chemistry. It's the movement of molecules or particles from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration across a semi-permeable membrane. So remember, the cells, whether or not they're animal or plant cells, have a cell membrane. Its job is to allow substances to come in and out of cells. So things like oxygen are passing into the cell, and water, and other substances like carbon dioxide are leaving the cell. So diffusion is just the movement of substances in and out of the cell. But they come from a high concentration to a low concentration. They come from where there's a lot of them to where there's not much of them. Think of it a bit like going down a hill. Easier to go down the hill than it is to go up the hill. Now let's have a look at some examples. So in animals, we find a good example in the lungs, and in plants we find a good example in the leaves. So in animals, in the lungs, we have these structures called alveoli, or air sacs. Now they're very, very small and they're round, so they've got a very big surface area. They've got a rich blood supply provided by these very small capillaries, and they've got very, very thin, moist walls, so that speeds up the diffusion. So when we breathe in, we're bringing in air. The oxygen is going into the blood, and then the carbon dioxide from the blood is going in the opposite direction. It's going into the air sac, and of course we breathe out and we get rid of that carbon dioxide. And inside your lungs you have thousands of these. In plants, good example is in the leaves. So this is a cross section of the leaves. This is the top surface of the leaf, and that's the bottom section. These cells here are the photosynthetic cells. These are spongy cells, and these are all air spaces here. And at the bottom of the leaf, we have these little gaps called stomata. And stomata allow gases in and out of the leaf. So of course the gas plants need for photosynthesis is carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is diffusing